Welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, is this 4-year-old laptop still able to play modern day games? Well, one way to find out. In this video, I'll be trying to play modern day games on my Acer TravelMate P414RN-51, released in May of 2021. Has a Intel Core i5-1135 G7 with 8GB of RAM, Windows 10 and technically 11 dual booted, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. I'm going to be playing games such as A Hat in Time, Minecraft, Half-Life, and I'll give Gamble with Your Friends another try. Yes, these are the exact same games as the last video. I've got to keep the legacy going. They're going to be the games that I test out on this channel. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the Acer TravelMate laptop. Ignore the dent, that's how I got it. I'm just gonna open it straight up and then point the camera slightly better for viewing purposes. And then we're gonna turn this machine on. So we are here on Windows 10 and okay, I can't do the camera recording the screen thing. So I'm gonna get my capture card, I'll be back. As I'm about to start recording, my machine has just blue screened. To make it fair, I'm going to be using 1.8.9 since that's what I used in the last video primarily. We did also boot up the latest, which is 26.1.2 or whatever, and that was still playable, but just in this video and for the future, I'm going to be testing out 1.8.9. Cool, I've only got a gig of RAM spare. What am I closing? Looks like it's gonna be Steam. That's literally all the settings I touch. And then we just go straight into Hypixel. Now, we did do Bed Wars in the last video, so we're gonna keep doing Bed Wars. We're getting about 170, 180 FPS, which is pretty good. All that matters. Like, it's playable. On the same, settings as the... I've put the settings on the exact same as the laptop that I used to test in the last video, which if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And this is without Optifine or anything. Let's see if someone will do bed defense. Sticky keys, god damn it. Might be able to go get diamonds for once. Let's go. Mind you, this laptop does have a battery in it. Makes the performance slightly better. We have 8 diamonds. We're gonna go. Oh, holy crap, that was a clutch and a half. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, let's go. Now that's how you win. Well, Minecraft's pretty good. We're at 82 in the lobby. We're getting about over 170 in games, so that's really good. We're gonna close out of Minecraft and we're gonna jump straight into, you know what, we'll start off with a Half-Life because we obviously know it's gonna run completely fine max settings, so we're gonna just do that. We're gonna run Half-Life max settings and hope for the best. We're gonna turn off original models just to get it the frames more cooked, and the game's just crashed. Oh my god. Yeah, this is playable. Yeah, there's no point of even continuing when the game is running completely fine. Okay, Half-Life, pretty playable. I don't need to continue from there. We'll try Gamble with Your Friends since that's gonna be lighter than A Hat in Time. Gamble with Your Friends, I don't condone gambling. You don't use your real money in this game at all. This is basically just a game where basically try to hit quota, and then if you don't, you basically die and have to start all over. So far, we're at 40 FPS and we're only on the main menu at the same settings as the last time we played this on the channel. We'll play unlimited at 1080. If that doesn't work, we'll bump that down to 720, which, yeah, already that's pretty good. We'll continue from the last one actually, because we did hit quota the FPS. Oh god, this is the lower settings, so we need to turn the settings down to the point that we can actually play the game. So we'll do 1280 by 720. Yeah, I don't know why it's so dark. It's not when I turn up to 1080. We'll just play it at this. It's playable-ish. Well, we basically almost hit quota, so we've hit quota. You know what, we'll keep going. We'll play the rest of this. Black, black, black. Come on. Oh my god, I'm not gonna hit quota. Oh my god, I'm not gonna hit quota. I didn't hit quota. Oh no! No! Oh, GG's. Well, it's playable if you turn the resolution down to maybe 720. It's not too bad actually. We'll try A Hat in Time. We'll see how that goes. Nope. It's more playable. Oh, We need to turn these settings down ASAP. Oh, don't tell me it's just crashed. It's crashed. Okay, I'm gonna restart this thing because that might fix it. Okay, we are back. I'm gonna try running a Hat in Time once again. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed it does. I love the lag. This is just Windows. This is just Windows alone. So hopefully it's playable. I am playing at 720p in window because full screen crashed the game and it didn't even launch properly. We're already at a great start so far. I've only noticed that Hat in Time and Gamble with Your Friends have been the only difficult games to play. So I think I might test out some more games in future videos. Like I might try getting Borderlands 1 working in the next video. Oh, 40, 20. This was more playable. I'm just gonna jump into a level, see how it goes. Okay, so it seems to be somewhat playable. Just the camera movement is iffy. It's definitely not my mouse, is it? No, definitely not. So after the game loads and all that properly, the game seems to be okay now. Because now I'm actually able to play the game. I want to see something. I want to test something. Highly doubt it's going to be playable, but it's worth it. Oh, well, I think we've crashed. Yeah, okay. Oh, no. Ah, came back. Okay, well, it's playable, just at 720p. So, yeah, thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. If you haven't enjoyed it and you want to see more, consider subscribing. If you want to support my content in any way, I have a Patreon and a Coffee link down in the description below. My Patreon costs as little as $5 Australian per month. You get access to exclusive roles in the Discord server, behind the scenes, early access to upcoming videos, and much, much more. Thank you all very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.